Day one of a criminal trial against a former St. Johns County deputy. Anthony DeLeo is being charged with second-degree aggravated battery after prosecutors say he was seen on this video beating Christopher Butler during a traffic stop in 2019. The incident happened in the gas station parking lot off Highway 210. DeLeo was later fired from the sheriff's office and arrested.
Meanwhile, Butler was convicted on charges of eluding law enforcement and violating his probation. That's why he was wearing a prisoner uniform during testimony in court today. News4 Jax reporter Eric Gavinier is joining us in studio tonight.
Eric, what happened during that cross-examination when DeLeo's attorney started to grill Butler?
Oh, there was a lot that happened during that cross-examination. DeLeo's attorney tried to paint Butler as a liar, and there were times during that cross-examination where things got a little testy. From the very beginning of cross-examination, the defense went after Christopher Butler's claim that he did nothing to warrant a beating from former deputy Anthony DeLeo during this traffic stop captured on video, a beating that resulted in Butler suffering injuries to his face, shoulder, and elbow. Butler denied biting or fighting the deputy, but could not recall if injuries to his face could have been the result of falling to the pavement after being tased.
So you only recall the good things for your position and not the bad things. Is that the truth?
If that's the way you'd like to state it, sir.
The defense continued to grill Butler on disobeying commands by the deputy.
You had repeated commands to put your hands behind your back, and you didn't do it. Isn't that the truth?
I had repeated commands to do it, sir. I didn't have very much time to oblige and comply to them demands.
Then he clarified what he meant by that statement.
I would like to say I didn't have sufficient amount of time to comply with their demands in between the severe pain I was suffering at the time and the effects of the cough medicine.
Cough medicine he previously admitted ingesting beyond the recommended limit to get high before driving his girlfriend's car. But still, the defense kept grilling him on disobeying the deputy's commands.
Repeated commands to get on your stomach, right?
Yes, sir.
Did you do that?
It was hard to get on my stomach being tased and hit.
Butler admitted in court that during the ordeal, he kept trying to stand up and explained why.
Is someone standing up consistent with complying with the directives of a law enforcement officer?
I was scared for my life.
Now, day two of the trial starts tomorrow at 8:30. If convicted, DeLeo could face up to 15 years in prison.